In this video, I'll show you how to make AI images right inside Claude using free models on Hugging Face. We connect Claude to the official Hugging Face MCP server and then just ask for a picture. Let's get into it. Here's the whole idea. Claude talks to Hugging Face through their MCP server, which hands your prompt to a free image model running on Hugging Face's 0 GPU hardware, and the finished picture comes right back into your chat. Good news on the accounts. The Hugging Face account is completely free, and this works on any Claude plan. On the free plan, you get one custom connector, which is exactly all this needs. Paid plans just let you add more. The server itself is official, open source, and maintained by Hugging Face. In Claude, open settings, then connectors, and choose Add Custom Connector. On the web, you may see this under Customize, then Connectors, then the plus button. Paste in the Hugging Face MCP address, and notice I added $login on the end. That flag forces the Hugging Face sign-in so the free image spaces are reachable. Here's the one value you actually type. Name it whatever you like, and set the remote MCP server URL to huggingface.co/mcp $login. The login flag makes sure the image generation spaces work. Approve the OAuth screen and the connector is live. One step people miss: image spaces aren't switched on by default. Head to your Hugging Face MCP settings, find Spaces tools, and add the space you want, like FLUX Creative or QN image. Save it, and that model shows up as a tool inside Claude. Now, the fun part. I just asked Claude to use FLUX and describe the scene I want. Claude calls the Hugging Face image tool. The model renders on 0 GPU and the picture drops straight into the conversation. Let me be straight about the trade-offs. The free 0 GPU tier gives you around 5 minutes of GPU time per day at medium queue priority, so if you burn through it, image generation pauses until it resets. A Hugging Face PRO plan lifts that to roughly 40 minutes a day if you need more. Here's the simple picture. The free account gets you the real models at zero cost with about 5 minutes of GPU time a day. PRO is the same models with roughly 40 minutes a day, which matters if you generate a lot. So to recap, add the custom connector pointing at the Hugging Face MCP. URL sign in with your free account, switch on the image space in your settings, and then just ask Claude to generate with FLUX. That's the whole flow. If this helped, subscribe. I'm making more hands-on MCP tutorials just like this one. This one's brought to you by the team at Remarketly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.